Feel relaxed and refreshed with our FH Group Light and Breezy seat covers. Made of flat cloth polyester, these covers are feather light, yet surprisingly durable, and designed to protect your upholstery from everyday wear and tear. Its easy slip-on design coupled with adjustable straps make installation, removal, and reattachment a breeze. Not to mention the soft, high-quality fabric is backed by 3mm breathable foam padding. The rear seat covers are compatible with both solid or split bench seats, and special stitching allows for side airbag deployment. The tag is easily visible and should be facing the door. To top it off, the bucket seat features a slip pocket at the back to store and keep personal items within an arm's reach. This full set can accommodate traditional and heated seats and is only compatible with removable headrests and armrests. Choose from a variety of lively colors and personalize your ride today.